Today I'm going to try to persuade someone to make a sound of a donkey. So let's see. Oh. Hello, Melinette.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Could you please make a sound of a donkey?
A donkey?
Yeah, please.
No.
Please.
Duh. No.
Okay.
What?
Please.
No.
Man.
What?
Please.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Please.
No.
Man. Please.
I'm not going to do that. I'm eating.
No, please. I really need
No,
it.
you are just annoying. You are annoying.
Melinette,
Are you just crazy?
please.
I'm not going to do that.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Man.
What?
Make a sound of a donkey, please.
I'm not going to make a sound of a donkey, Maria.
Please.
No, I'm not.
Please.
No, I'm not.
Please.
No, I'm not.
Please.
No.
Please. No. Okay. Oh. Marina, please. I need it. I really need it. Please.
I'm really tired of you, you know.
Please. I
No.
really need it. I really need the
No,
sound.
I'm
I
not
really
going
need.
to do it.
I have been talking to you the whole day. Please.
Okay, whatever. Ee-ah! That's fine. Are we done?
Thank you.
Are we
thank
done
you.
for today?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.